Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can verify your Payeer account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First you need to go to your Payeer application. Once you open the application you will see the interface like this, and all you need to do is to tap on the setting icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on that one, as you can see, I still not verified my account. So if you don't have an account, I have a video on how to create an account in Payeer application. You can watch that video. You can find the link of that video in the description as well. So now back to the verification, you can tap on verification here. They say we will send verification code to your email. So you need to enter your email here. I will enter the email. So guys, I enter my email here and they say we will send verification code on your email. So you need to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they say check your email, and from there you need to enter the code here. So I will go and get the code from my mailbox. So guys, as you can see, I received this email and this is the code that I received. So I will enter this code in the Payeer account there. So once you enter that code, now they say enter your phone number. So you need to enter the phone number here. So guys, as you can see, I enter the phone number. You need to enter your phone number with your country code and then tap on continue. So guys, once you are on this page, they say that waiting for an incoming call. You to confirm that is my number, you need to make a call to the following number. So I need to call to this number first. So I will tap on this one and make a call. So I will go back and check here. And now I will tap on confirm. So as you can see, choose account type. We are still on the verification. So if it is a business or a personal, so I will tap on personal, and then you need to enter the name, last name, date of birth, country, and then submit for review. So I will enter all the information first and then see you. So guys, I enter all my information here, and then you need to tap on submit for review. So guys, this is now the last step here that you can verify your account here. You need to upload a file, a photo of your passport or ID. If you want to add, just tap on the attachment icon and you will find this. You can attach a PDF, attach a photo, or you can even take a photo of your passport or ID. Then you need to proof of address. If you tap on the question mark, you will find all the details here, that what kind of documents you need to upload here. Once everything is done, because you need to verify your account, you say withdraw limit for non-verified account is $999 per day. So you need to verify your account if you want to withdraw more money. There is one more important thing to mention. Documents from next countries are not accepted. These are Afghanistan, Pakistan, Palestine. This is the list of the countries that they are not accepting the documents and they will not verify your account. So if you are not listed in this country, you can verify your account on Payeer application. So guys, this is the last step. When uploaded everything, you need to just submit for review, and then you will receive a confirmation after that that either your account is verified or not. So guys, this is all it takes to verify your Payeer account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.